MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and it's simply a way for AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude to communicate with external tools. See, when you have a large language model, an LLM like ChatGPT on its own, it's great at conversation, strategizing, pulling historical facts. But when you actually ask it to perform some meaningful tasks like sending an email or updating your tasks list, it will say, sorry, I can't do that. It can write the email for you, but then you'll need to go and copy that email over to your Gmail app and then send the email. So we've realized here that by connecting LLMs directly to the tools we use each and every day, they can become a lot more powerful. Two things happen when we connect LLMs to tools. First, they can actually pull in context from the tool. So for instance, if you ask it to run an analysis about what are the most common job titles of new customers that you have, if your large language model is connected directly to your CRM like Salesforce, it will be able to pull in that data and run that analysis. Now, on top of just pulling in context, it now moves us away from just simply knowledge, but going towards action. And by connecting the LLM to tools, we can perform action. So rather than just writing the email for you, it can go and actually either create the draft in your Gmail account directly for you to review, or even all the way through to actually sending out that email. Now, what the Model Context Protocol is specifically is just an agreed upon standard about how tools should interact with AI models. Rather than every single tool, so rather than Salesforce creating their own method to connect with an AI, rather than Google creating their own method to connect with an AI, rather than Notion and pretty much any tool you're using creating their own method, the team at Anthropic developed this Model Context Protocol, which involves an MCP server that makes it very simple for AI to connect with MCP servers and then leverage different tools. And this is something that it's hoping that the rest of the industry will adopt. Now that you understand what MCP is, you're probably wondering what it actually looks like in practice. The good news is that setting up your own MCP server is much easier than most people think. You don't even need to write any code. Click this video right here to see a real MCP demo in action, and I'll walk you through setting up your own server step by step.